Okay, so we're continuing with our keyword analysis to create a PPC analysis report to see the expected results from a PPC campaign before we launch it. So we went ahead and did our competitors here. We indexed their site with the free tool called Keyword Planner. We input their URLs in there. We got we indexed specific pages for the services that we're interested in, and we got the basic report here. We downloaded it, and now what we're going to do is we're going to build some kind of functionality or a dash or basically some formulas here to help us see what the actual cost per conversion will be. Along with kind of other things. We can input additional things if we want to. So we're going to create this right now, and then we can copy and paste it to the entire Excel. So we have average cost per click. Basically, Google gives you the top page bid and the low page bid. We went ahead and created a little formula here with C plus D divided by 2. So that gives us the average cost per click. So again, there's low range and high range. Let's do this real quick. CPC. So equal sign top page bid plus low page bid divided by sign 2. And then we have our result here. We can put the dollar sign. And then I double click just to make the row go all the way down. And then we have our CTR. Now you could come up with a CTR, which I'm going to come up with real quick, and I'll explain why. Okay, so this is the CTR I came up with because I have the actual raw data from the account, but you could Google the average CTR for your industry. The average CTR for your industry you could find in search engine land, search engine or SEO roundtable that usually publish, but it's usually anywhere from 3% to 8%. So we're just going to go ahead and double click that. Actually, we're going to merge everything to the center. So we're going to calculate the expected clicks. So we're going to do CTR times, let's see here, CTR times impressions. So if we had unlimited budget, it would go ahead and look like this. So all the volume times the expected CTR. Of course, we're not going to actually have this specific all these clicks. This is just to show you the overall average. So conversion rate, I'm going to go ahead and look at the conversion. Okay, the conversion rate is about 6%. For that account, you could do anything from 3 to 10%. That depending on your industry, you could go ahead and take a look at conversion rates per industry. I could actually link it in the description in the YouTube video. So we're going to go ahead and calculate our expected conversions, which are going to be clicks times conversion rate. And here we have our expected conversions. Here we have the conversions times cost. So we're going to go ahead and do, the cost is going to be clicks times average CPC. So here we have our expected cost. Now remember, this is if you would have had an unlimited budget for this account, right? So about 25K. Yeah, about 26K there. That would have been an unlimited kind of budget. What we're trying to see is the actual cost per conversion. So we're going to grab our little conversions and divide it by cost. I'm sorry, that's the wrong calculation. We're going to grab our cost divided by conversions. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and see the average cost per conversion per Now here we have an overall overview of cost per conversion, and we can grab our conditional formatting, colors, green, red to green. And there we could go ahead and choose your keywords.